To find your shading color, you want to start with your original color and go diagonally inside the box. Then you'll use the outside slider and go a little bit to the pinkish side. You can then shade your desired parts. I started with the solid color on the neck. I personally like to use the pen fade brush for the shading. What I personally like to do is not like put the shaded color completely on like the face, if you know what I mean, like near the line. I like to keep that space open a little bit. What I like to do next is use the color in between the shaded color and the skin tone and shade it out towards the center so it doesn't look like you know how it looks. After that, I turn those edges more smooth looking on the neck. Now this is just one of the options you could pick. You could use the airbrush and use the skin tone and put it inside the neck. I think that looks a little aesthetically pleasing. Or you could do the second option, what I'm about to show you after I recolor that neck part. For this next option, I find a desaturated blue. I colored in like I did the previous one, and I shade it to my desire. After that, I get the original shading color and shade the pieces on the face. Then I'll use the blue and use it on the face. Then using the skin tone, you could use it to find your blush of choice. Then I'll use the shaded color and use it to shade the nose so it looks more of a nose shade. And from then on, it's basically finished. And if you like this tutorial or you learned anything from it, please leave a like or comment. I'd be very thankful.